The capital city is Wellington. But the biggest city in New Zealand is Auckland. More than 1 million people live in this city. New Zealand has also got many beautiful places in the countryside. You can see mountains, forests, lakes, and volcanoes in the countryside in New Zealand. Hiking is very popular here because there are so many things to see. Hiking has even got a special name in New Zealand. It's called tramping. If you like tramping, New Zealand is the right country to visit. There's a very special hiking path in New Zealand called the Tongariro Alpine Crossing. This path is 19 kilometers long. If you follow the path, you'll walk across a volcano called Mount Tongariro. You'll see lots of lakes and mountains on this path too.